I'm legal. I'm a legal eagle. I'm regal. I fuck you up like Steven Seagull. My knowledge of a legal sage, rough and tough age, feel this rage, that's how I earn my wage. I'm a fucking mage, only 30 years of age. My staff in your girl, she doing a twirl, a swirl, her hair and toes curl, my lyrical whirl. I'm legal, I'm a legal eagle, I'm regal, I fuck you up like Steven Seagull. I have the skill to kill, words leave you standing still with my legal will, expertise full. I'm illegal, I'm a legal eagle, I'm regal, I fuck you up like Steven Seagull. Another case, straight out my briefcase, my opponent gets sprayed in the face. What a disgrace, don't even need fucking mace. Opponent, brace your place, let me show you how to tie your legal shoelace. My case is laced with proof to lay waste to your unnecessary haste. Annihilate proof based, here want a taste. You've been fucking maced, defaced, I outran you when we raced. I'm legal, I'm a fucking legal eagle, I'm regal, I fuck you up like Steven Seagull. Step into my office, take a seat, let me show you how we this case beat. Go out later for some juicy meat, enjoy this legal treat. 30 minutes and you still off your feet, happy in that mesmerizing seat. Nourishment as basic as wheat, no defeat, try to beat this heat. I'm legal, I'm a legal eagle, I'm regal, I fuck you up like Steven Seagull.